We've gotten off of Interstate 70, where we were traveling at highway speeds with moderate traffic congestion in the rain, and now we're coming down Lookout Mountain Road just outside Golden, Colorado. Somewhat narrow, lots of chicanes, and Tesla's vision-only base system handles these conditions just fine. No LiDAR required. We've driven now 30 some miles in the rain, no interventions whatsoever, and we're gonna get to our favorite coffee shop without any problems, just fine. Naturally, attention monitoring is yelling at me.